Good day, everyone. I am Melody Dano, a Doctor of Education in Leadership and Management, an elementary mathematics teacher, and a dedicated trainer with over 26 years of experience in the field. My passion for mathematics education has driven me to explore innovative strategies that can enhance both teaching effectiveness and student performance. With this unwavering commitment, I pursued a research journey that I am excited to share with you today. My study, Innovative Curriculum Design, Classroom Management Strategies, Competencies, and Mathematics Teachers' Performance, a causal model, explores the vital factor that shape mathematics instruction and seeks to contribute valuable insights toward improving our educational system. Students in the Philippines often struggle with math, as shown by international tests. The 2022 PISA result ranked the Philippines 76 out of 81 countries in reading comprehension, mathematics, and science. The 2019 Trends in International Mathematics and Science study placed the Philippines last out of 58 countries in mathematics and science. The Department of Education has introduced curriculum innovation in K-12, yet gaps in mathematical education persist. This study explored the causal relationship between curriculum design, classroom management, and teacher competencies and mathematics teachers' performance to address these challenges. In understanding the foundation of our research, we draw upon two fundamental theories. Albert Bandura's social learning theory emphasizes the power of modeling and reinforcement, and the constructivist theory by Jean Piaget emphasizes active student participation in constructing knowledge. These theories provide a strong theoretical framework for this study. This figure shows the relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variable. This study is beneficial to the Department of Education, school principals or school heads, teachers, and future researchers. Further details on how each of these parties will benefit will be outlined later in the recommendations. This study was conducted in the division of Cagayan de Oro City comprising 9 districts with a total of 56 public elementary schools. This study employs a combination of research designs including descriptive correlational and causal comparative designs, as well as structural equation modeling and path analysis. The study involved 337 elementary school teachers from 9 districts within Cagayan de Oro City. To ensure representativeness, a proportionate stratified sampling method was employed, determining the sample size using Rossoft's sample size calculator. The instrument was validated by 3 expert professors at the Liceo de Cagayan University. For the reliability test, we assess using Cronbach alpha test and interpreted as reliable. And now for the matrix of our findings. For problem number 1, elementary math teachers have a very high level of innovative curriculum design for real-world application and problem solving, high level for technology integration, inquiry-based learning, project-based learning, and collaboration, as well as the overall innovative curriculum design. This finding reinforces the study of Smith and Johnson in 2018 that incorporating interactive activities, real-world application, and technology into the curriculum positively impacts students' motivation to learn math. The innovative design of these elements creates a more engaging learning environment, leading to increased participation, heightened curiosity, and stronger grasp of mathematical concepts. For problem number 2, the elementary math teachers have a very high level of implementation for learning environment, learning engagement, instructions, as well as the overall classroom management strategies. These findings support Myers-Zanos in 2017 that implementing clear and consistent classroom rules and procedures can also improve student behavior and academic achievement. For problem number 3, elementary math teachers have a high level of competencies for knowledge and pedagogy and a very high level of competencies for differentiated instructions, assessment, and feedback, professional development, as well as the overall teacher competencies. This finding supports Cornyawan and Rosedin's study in 2019 that teacher competencies positively correlate with mathematics learning outcomes in elementary schools. Their study demonstrated that teachers with higher competencies in instructional planning, delivery, assessment, and creating a positive learning environment were associated with improved mathematics performance among students. For problem number 4, the elementary math teachers have a very high in the 6th component of PPST, namely knowledge and pedagogy, diversity of learners, curriculum planning, assessing and reporting, professional engagement, professional growth, and professional, as well as the overall rating of PPST. The outstanding level of performance observed among elementary school mathematics teachers aligns with the essential component of effective mathematics instruction as outlined by research and educational organization. According to the National Council of Teachers for Mathematics in 2014, effective mathematics instruction is crucial for promoting student learning and achievement in this subject. For problem number 5, there is a significant relationship between the elementary school mathematics teachers' performance and their level of innovative curriculum designs, classroom management strategies, and teachers' competencies. Friend and Bursak in 2002 emphasized that the strong positive relationship between classroom management strategies and teacher competencies with teachers' performance resonates with the emphasis on effective classroom management strategies, teacher competencies, and ongoing professional development to support teachers' growth and enhance their performance. Problem number 6. The most significant predictor or influencer of elementary math teachers' performance is professional development, followed by teachers' competencies and project-based learning and collaboration. Professional development also play an essential role in influencing mathematics learning outcomes as evidenced by Cornyawan and Rosedin in 2019. Their study underscores the positive relationship between teacher competencies and student performance, emphasizing the importance of effective instructional planning, assessment, and creating a positive learning environment. For problem number 7, the causal model 3 concludes that elementary math teachers' performance is significantly positively influenced by elementary math teachers' classroom management strategies, project-based learning and collaboration, and professional development, while assessment and feedback, differentiated instruction, and content knowledge and pedagogy have a significant influence or effect on teachers. The causal model, also known as Mel-Days model on elementary school teachers' performance, best fits elementary school mathematics teachers' performance. The findings feature the importance of professional development programs and teacher skills, recognizing the many aspects influencing teachers' performance. This model offers valuable guidance for education leaders and educators in crafting focused interventions to improve elementary school mathematics instruction. Building on these findings, several recommendations arise to further enhance the effectiveness of our elementary math teachers and in turn improve student learning outcomes. The Department of Education may consider integrating innovative curriculum designs that emphasize the real-world application and problem-solving skills into the existing curriculum frameworks. School heads may prioritize creating a conducive learning environment that fosters active student engagement, along with promoting project-based learning and collaboration among teachers. Teachers are encouraged to actively engage in continuous professional development programs to strengthen their content knowledge, pedagogy, and differentiated instructional skills. Emphasizing real-world application and problem-solving in their teaching practices is suggested to enhance students' critical thinking and practical skill development. And to our future researchers, are encouraged to explore more in-depth studies on targeted professional development programs or curriculum enhancement and their impact on teachers' performance and student outcomes. Investigating other factors contributing to teaching performance is also recommended for a more comprehensive understanding and improvement of educational practices. Conducting this study has been an eye-opening journey, both a researcher and as a mathematics teacher who is deeply passionate about ensuring that students learn effectively and are not left behind. Seeing the result of this research has reinforced my belief that teacher development is just as important as curriculum reform. Completing this study required sleepless nights, sacrifices, and unwavering commitment. It was never just about fulfilling an academic requirement. It was about advocating for real change in the way we support and develop our teachers. I have submitted this research to the Department of Education, and I truly hope it does not remain just another document stored in a cabinet. Instead, I urge policymakers to take action to invest in teacher training, provide access to global best practices, and ensure that mathematics instruction in our country evolves to meet international standards. My greatest hope is that this study will ignite meaningful change, that through better teacher training and support, we can build a generation of students who are not only competent in mathematics, but also globally competitive. If we empower our teachers, we empower our students, and ultimately, we uplift the entire nation's educational standing. And here are some of my references. Thank you for listening.